Holy cow. She's looking a lot different than she was a few years ago when we saw you last.
Yeah, with the LSA and the spray painted 17s.
Yes.
Yeah. Same tires from the race stars. I haven't really used those that much, but everything else is different. And it wasn't even black 2 weeks ago, or it wasn't this color 2 weeks ago.
You wrapped it, huh?
Yeah, just finished that.
So it's been a couple years since we've seen the combo under the hood. Tell me what you got going on here.
Now it's totally different. It's a dart block 427.
Ooh, not messing around.
CP Carrillo rods and pistons, twin precision 76s, precision wastegates, Wolf aircraft tubing. I did all the headers and all the fab work myself. I've never done any of this before. I just kind of, that one drag week was enough to set the hook, and I did nothing but this for 2 years. Yeah, it's got the dart billet crank, and the CP rods and pistons are killer. So.
Dang. So the old setup was the LSA. How much power did it make? LSA blower.
Maybe 650-ish at the ground, and it ran high 11s on that drag week, and there was a bunch of rubber under the snout after I got home. So
oh, really?
That combo had a lot more in it.
Even that was impressive, though.
Yeah.
That's a big tank.
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of missed that a little bit. Like I kind of want another one just to be regular, but this
a lot
is way
lower
more
maintenance.
Yeah, this is more fun when it's having fun. And I haven't even made it past it yet, so this will be the first time it goes down the track.
It's got a full cage in it all the way to the back.
133 out of a huge Escalade. God damn, that's awesome. And it was popping and banging down the track, so that got him some data.
Got two main hoops.
Oh yeah, plenty of room for passengers. Oh dang. Holy crap, that is a lot of bars. Goes all the way back there. So is this NH8 text to go like 8 something with 4 people? I'm just kidding.
It's got the 850 sticker on it.
Yeah.
I honestly don't know what they'd say if it had another harness bar back there and the proper equipment.
Exactly.
They probably wouldn't like it, but you know, somebody might let it slide.
Everything's still in here too. I love it.
Yeah.
Except for the third row.
And the
you don't need
TVs. The third row does work. The cage was built to go around the third row.
No way.
And these bump outs here were built so I could have extra room to sleep back there for drag week. Because I camped back there then, and I'm going to do it again.
That's great. How much power does it make right now?
Man.
Have you dynoed it?
No. Street tune. I'd say at this boost level, 1400.
Jeez.
But it's not even working yet.
How much boost is that?
16. Low, soft timing.
Well, you got enough turbo for it. I'm sure as you turn up the boost, it's going to get rowdy.
Yeah, that's what we put 18-pound springs in there, and it went from 12 to like 22 pounds like that. And we're like, no, it was hitting boost cut. I didn't want to bother with that because it's uncharted territory. But it'll get up there. Everything's built to make 2,000 at the ground. The first thing that'll run out is the fuel pump, which is a 5-gallon-a-minute pump.
Okay. Dang.
So we'll see how far that goes.
What's your goals with the car?
I originally wanted to run like 960s, and I don't need a dart block for that.
No.
But I was kind of like, why would I put good stuff in a regular block and, you know, all snowballed from there. I just overbuild it completely so I could run mid-9s with this thing and not even have anything stressing. That was the goal.
Yeah, it's good to have the right parts in there to start. You don't have to upgrade everything.
Yeah, why would I?
When you start breaking stuff,
just do it once. I could have, you know, thrown it together over that winter with cheaper parts, and I'd be here anyway. It would have just taken. I took an extra 1.5 years off to do it all once the right way, and it's working out pretty good so far.
oh boy! First drag race pass.
First one.
Oh boy! Take it easy. Get some data and then go fast. The LSXcalade's maiden voyage down the drag strip's happening right now here at OKC Streetcar Takeover. Cross your fingers. He's been struggling to get this thing running good, and I hope today is the day.
232.
Not the number you wanted, but you got a good solid pass out of it.
Yeah.
Is the sensor still f***ing up down the pass? I heard a couple bangs.
Yeah, I did that, and it was hanging on the rev limiter at the end of the track too, and actually shifted it to overdrive.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, so I had the RPM set too low, so I bumped that up and loaded up even more for the next pass, and it just blew the tires off. So.
Well, 9s are going to be easy at least once you get things sorted out.
Oh yeah, for sure. I guess he's got 9s on that boost level.
Well, you got to be happy. You finally got some good drag race passes out of it.
Yeah, only had to drive 1,100 miles to do it, but.
Oh my god. Well, we'll see you again soon.
Yeah, absolutely.
Congrats on the passes. I'll see you, man.
So you're gonna put this thing on the dyno, huh?
Yeah.
Is this your first time on the dyno with it?
Yeah, never been on it before.
What do you think it's gonna put down?
Over 1,000.
What are you hoping for? Over 1,000?
I don't know how generous this dyno is. So.
I'm excited to see what this thing does.
I have no idea. I'm just in it for the ride.
Right, so it's gonna be a surprise either way,
Yeah,
right?
either way.
Heck yeah. Let's get it done. Let's see what this thing does.
Mr. Mitchell.
What's up?
What's up? LSXcalade in the house in St. Louis.
Back this time.
We've seen you a lot this year, but
Yeah.
I've been waiting for your moment for when you're feeling really good about this thing.
That's today.
Is it?
Today's the day. Yeah.
Hell
I'm
yeah.
feeling good.
Definitely my favorite SUV out there.
Thank you. It means a lot.
It's awesome.
Everything you'd find in a chassis car, except I put it in here.
Yeah, so like in a pro mod, you could be running like 6s.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
And you put it in your mom's Escalade.
Dad's.
Okay, Dad's Escalade. Was it
Yeah.
actually your dad's?
It was. Yeah.
Easy, I didn't know that.
Yeah. It was just what I drove to college and back because I commuted, and then I saved up some money. And when he went out of town, I put an LSA blower on it without telling him.
And that's what we saw was the
drag blower. That was when that happened. The blower lasted 8 months before I was like, you know what, this is cool. That's a lot of fun. I need to go all in.
Well, I've been wanting to go for a ride this. Every time I see you at the track, you drive up in it. I love that about this. Can we go for a ride?
Yeah, let's go.
Do I need to watch anything, make sure it doesn't anything stupid?
Well, my oil pressure sensor doesn't work, so don't worry about that.
Okay.
Trans temp is also finicky.
You don't need oil pressure.
No, I got a mechanical gauge that's in the fender well. So, yeah, this thing it's got some loose ends to tie up, but pretty much just coolant temperature and transmission temperature if it's working or not.
Oh, you got air-cooled seats? Hell yeah.
You don't have those. Just sit back there and be quiet.
All right, Dad.
Tire shaking an Escalade. It was like.
It didn't even downshift.
Really?
We got to start with slower speed.
All right. so glad I could see out the side mirror because it was just solid black bars.
Just gotta let it ride.
I lost my hat.
Want to do it again?
Sure.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah. Tires were hot then.
Yeah.
It hooked up way better. It feels pretty controllable too.
Yeah, it's like the ESV just means you got the Pro Mod package with the extended wheelbase. Time to push.
I gotta get a shot of this rolling back in because it just looks so ridiculous from the outside.
Well, we get ridiculous pushing it.
Oh, that's right. Oh no. Still gotta sort out a few transmission issues.
Was it a 1034?
1032.
1032.
135.05.
Right where you left off.
Yeah, but that 60 foot was a tenth better. And I didn't leave super hard because I was actually trying to race the guy and play with the brakes. Next time, I won't listen to the light. I'll go second bulb in, then get my foot the whole way to the floor and build it up the whole way. Because the whole vacuum brake thing's kind of screwing me. It pushed my sunroof back about that far, so I knew it was a good launch.
That's
Yeah,
great.
I always put this forward, then when I launch, I can look up and be like, oh yeah, that was probably a 1.6.
Tell you how many G-forces you hit?
Yeah,
G-force
I do.
meter right there.
If it's a bad launch, don't I go back like that far. I'm like,